Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, a simple recipe. This is a hot dog. This has already been boiled. This is a hot dog roll. That's some mustard, a little butter. Here are 2 eggs that we're just gonna beat a little. And this is the hot dog egg roll. I got you again. Crazy Mike Foster's here with another crazy recipe. This is a hot dog with egg. We're gonna put the egg, I'm gonna show you, and put the hot dog, roll it, and put it on a bun. Add a little mustard, top it with whatever you would like, and check this baby out. I'll meet you at the stove. All right, this is a medium pan. Add some butter, down. That's all you need right there. Usually those 2 eggs that we beat, we're putting those down. Now this is gonna set up like an omelet, but with a hot dog in the middle. We'll fold it. Let's see how this is doing. Now you could pull it in a little, so it'll spread. Nice. And we'll add some pepper. There you go. All right, this is setting up. It's not ready yet, but it's ready for the hot dog, because then we're gonna fold it. So we're gonna put the hot dog like right around the middle. Give that a little more time. All right, this is getting folded twice. Let's do it twice. All right. That should be ready in about a minute when it finished cooking on inside. I'll meet you over at the counter, put the rest of this together. All right, there's your bun. That's what she said. There's some mustard. That's what it looked like. This is your hot dog. Egg dog. Oh, maybe I needed a bigger bun. We're gonna hold it up like that. There's your close-up, big bite coming up. There's that mess. I have a feeling it's gonna taste good. It's gonna be a mess to eat. All right, there it is. Woof! The egg is nice and eggy and creamy. Let's get a bite with that dog, which I just did. I'm gonna work it from both ends. It's darn good. You're gonna get some protein with this monstrosity. I call it a novelty, but fun. You should give it a shot. If you like eggs, you want to do something fun with a hot dog, try this. Try all my recipes at Live Life 365. 65 in my socials. Until next time, peace. What have I done this time?
Live life 365.
I got you again, Crazy Mike Parker's here. I'm not kidding. It's gonna be. Bobo! That sound was the dishwasher. I think after 18 years I've learned my lesson. To not put the dishwasher on right before you're filming. No, Baba.